Friends, it's Prajwal and welcome to StudyTube Learners. In this video, we are going to learn how to convert force, mass and acceleration. So let's get started. So in the previous video, I explained you about force, mass and acceleration. And I told that I'll show you how to convert force, mass and acceleration. So let's start with force. Okay. Force is equal to mass times acceleration. Okay, force, we know that force unit is newtons. Newtons is equal to mass kgs. Okay, newtons is equal to kg into meters per second square. Okay, so memorize that force is equal to mass times acceleration. Okay, so if you get it, so try this question and find the answer. If the mass of a car is equal to 1000 kg and the car wants to get accelerated by 2.0 meters per second square, what is the force needed to accelerate the car? Okay, how you will find that I'm going to tell you. You know that force is equal to mass times acceleration. Force is equal to mass times acceleration. You know that mass is equal to 1000 kg. Okay, mass of the car is equal to 1000 kg, and the acceleration is 2.0 meters per second square. Yes, then force is equal to mass times acceleration, which means you will multiply 1000 into 2.0 meters per second square, 1000 kg into 2.0 meters per second square. So you will do that and you will get force which is needed to accelerate the car is 2000 newtons. Hence 2000 newtons of force is required to move a car in 2.0 meters per second square of a mass of 1000 kg, like that only. So this is how you'll find a force if you have mass and acceleration with you. Okay, next we come to mass. Okay, how do you find mass? Mass is equal to force by acceleration. Okay, then you know that mass, its unit is kg. Kg is equal to force in newton and acceleration meters per second square. So kg is equal to newtons by meters per second square. So this is the question, the example. If the force is 1629 newtons, acceleration is equal to 3.0 meters per second square, what is the mass? Okay, you know that mass is equal to force by acceleration. Then you'll write the formula kg is equal to newtons by meters per second square. Okay, then mass is equal to 1269 by 3.0 meters per second square. 1269 newtons by 3.0 meters per second square. You'll divide it, you will get that it's 5, it's 4, it's 3. Mass is equal to 543 kg. Hence the mass of the object is 543 kg. This is how you can get mass. So next, it's acceleration. Acceleration is equal to force by mass. Okay, you know that acceleration as meters per second square is equal to force newton by mass kg. So meters per second square is equal to newtons by kg. Okay, it's the question. Try to solve it, please. Force, if the force is 132 newtons, mass is 6 kg. What's the acceleration? Try it. Put the formula. Okay, see the answer. You know that acceleration is equal to force by mass. You will give the formula force by mass. So meters per second square is equal to newtons by kg. You will write that. So the acceleration is equal to 132 newtons by 6 kg. You will divide it, you will get acceleration is equal to 22 meters per second squared. Hence the acceleration of the object is 22 meters per second squared. This is how you will find acceleration if you have force and mass with you. Okay, that was all about that. So let's recall what we have learned. So we learned that force is equal to mass times acceleration, mass is equal to force by acceleration, and acceleration is equal to force by mass. And you can very easily memorize it by this diagram. Okay, if you want to find the force, what you will do? You have the mass and acceleration, you will hide the force. Okay, you know that you have and below that, mass acceleration, mass times acceleration, mass times accelerations give you the force. Okay, this you how you get the force. Mass, how you get the mass? If you have the force and acceleration, you'll hide these two things. Okay, you know that for okay, you will see that force divided by acceleration will give you mass. So this is how you'll get the mass, and same as for acceleration, you'll hide these two things. You know, mass, force and mass. Force divided by mass gives you the acceleration. So this is very simple. I also remembered it by this. Okay, thank you for watching. Like, comment and share my video. Subscribe my channel please. Okay, comment below what I'll make for the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.